blessed by the divine. Very good morning to all of you. Wonderful to see you all today in this prediction class. This is a free prediction session for you. I invite Sudha Rani to unmute yourself and ask me the first question.
Hello, namaste, sir.
Namaste.
I would like to ask, can I buy my ancestor's property back, which is sold to someone else?
Okay. Sudha Rani, you want to ask me a question about your ancestral property purchase back, correct?
Yeah, purchase back. My ancestors already sold it. I got an offer to buy back.
Sure. Ancestral property. All right. Give me a random number, please, between 1 and 249.
67.
67. All good. Good luck. Be blessed. Let's see what the planets are telling you today. Okay. Repurchase of property, 4th house, starts in Libra at 4:45:26. The sublord is Venus. Venus today is in Kataka Rasi, in Ashlesha Nakshatra, in the star of Mercury. And Mercury is in the 11th house, owning the 12th house, owning the 3rd house. 100% you can buy back the property. It will require you to perhaps take some loan or invest in slightly heavy amount, but eventually you will also be inclined to sell this property at a profit later on.
Okay, sir.
All the very best to you. Good luck. Be blessed by the divine.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.